Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I make my delicious seafood spaghetti jollof. First, I'll start by boiling my tomato mix. I did also add in a few spoons of tomato paste, and I'm just gonna let this boil till it is completely dried down. I'm gonna go ahead to add in vegetable oil. The You can see there's still water in it, so I'm just adding the vegetable oil, but I'm going to let this fry for about 10 more minutes. Guys, the secret to your spaghetti jollof is the sauce. Please let it dry down completely. You don't want to hurry the process. Trust me, follow this recipe and you're gonna have the best spaghetti ever. Best spaghetti ever. Trust me, guys. Okay, now my sauce is completely dried down, so I'm just gonna go in with my spices, and on the screen you can see the spices that I use. I'm adding in some salt, Maggi. I'm adding garlic powder, ginger powder, basil leaf, thyme, crayfish. For the crayfish, I didn't use all because I will be saving half of it for later. I'm going to introduce it later once I have my spaghetti in my sauce. So of course, I'm a Cameroonian. You can never, I don't know, do you eat with pepper or not? Because I like spicy food, so I went in with my Cameroon pepper, and I'm going to stir my pot. I know it looks like there's a lot of spice, but trust me, it is okay. Just follow the recipe. You're gonna be fine. You will be fine, I promise. So I'm just gonna stir my pot so that the spice is gonna mix properly. And at this point, it is time for me to introduce my seafood. Today I'll be using some fresh fish and shrimps. So I'm just gonna place this in the pot and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. This is to make sure that my fish is ready, and also for the sauce to penetrate into the fish, because I'll be removing it and then adding my spaghetti, because you know fish is very fragile. I don't want it to like break while I'm stirring my pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and yeah, place my fish and my shrimps in my pot and let it cook for 15 minutes, and yeah, enjoy. Voila. Okay, see the aroma at this point. I cannot even begin to explain to you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time for you to pause the video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. So I'm removing the fish right now because I don't want it to break, and I'm introducing in my parboiled spaghetti. You have to parboil your spaghetti, guys. There's no two way. Please parboil your spaghetti, not too soft and not too hard, just in between. And after that, I did went ahead to stir my pot, and I'm adding in my leftover crayfish, and I'm just gonna cook this for like 5 minutes because the food is already ready, but I need everything to mix, like everything to come together. You understand? Like everything has to come together. So this is my spaghetti jollof. This is the best you would ever try. So oh my god, look at it, look at it, look at it. Ah, so delicious. And of course, I made myself a plate. If you do try this recipe, please let me know if you love it or if you didn't. And also if there's anything you would have done to improve it. Thanks guys for watching, and until next time, bye.